Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm doing the second part of my series called Fall Fun. Last week I did the first part, which is where I made adorable pumpkin wine glasses and delicious pumpkin cheesecake brownies. Today is part 2, where I'm making a frightfully delicious punch, and I'm setting up my kitchen table into a beautiful display for an All Hallows Eve buffet. So let's get started. So now I'm going to go ahead and make the punch. I'm going to need some lime sherbet, pineapple juice, lemon juice, and ginger ale. And it's very easy. We just throw it all together. So we can do that. We're going to start with the sherbet. I've already thawed it just a little bit so it comes out easy. And I'll have everything in the description box as well. There you go. Got the pineapple juice. Woo! Almost slipped away from me there. Our lemon juice. And our chilled ginger ale. I like that it's frothy. It's perfect for Halloween. And you can call it anything you want. Witch's brew, Frankenstein punch, because it does have a few parts. Get it? Da-da-da. Or just yummy, yummy punch. Then we'll give it a stir. Make sure everything gets blended in there. So now that it's mixed, I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on now. But when I get it ready to serve, I have frozen orange juice in a glove, in the shape of a hand, of course. And when I'm ready to start, I'm going to take my frozen orange juice hand out of the glove, and I'm going to put it just right inside on the top. And this does two things. It keeps it cool, and it also kind of gives it a fun, eerie look of a little hand floating around in there. So that will be fun, and I'll show you that when I set my table up. Now it's time for me to get our table together for our All Hallows Eve buffet. And these are some of the things that I'm going to be using. When I make a setup for serving food, the things don't have to match, and I'm going to show you why in just a little bit. As you can see, none of this matches, and it's all right. It's going to all come together in the end. What I'm going to use are just things that I have. A bowl, boxes from around the house. I have 2 cake stands. I've got my candlesticks out, cutting boards, 3 different cutting boards. I've got some decorations, just a witch's hat, a little ghost my daughter made. I've got some candles set up, little pumpkins, and things like that. And we're going to put it all together for a beautiful display for our buffet. The first thing I'm doing is making sure the table is clean and ready for decorations. I'm putting down my flat pieces first, and then around them I'm putting objects that are higher, so different things are on different levels on the table. Then after I have everything that I'm going to use, I'm going to put my tablecloth on. And all of these pieces that I'm using don't go together, but once I put the tablecloth on and all the different levels are shown, it looks very nice. I'm tucking under the edges of the tablecloth to give it a finished look. The pumpkin wine glasses are my centerpiece, so I will place them down first and everything else will surround them. My daughter Annalise carved this at a pumpkin carving contest the other day, so I thought it would look good on the table. Now that my table is all ready, it's time to prepare the healthy foods for the buffet. I'm choosing really good choices for my kids this evening because in case they go out trick-or-treating or whether they stay home, I know they're going to be eating the candy, and I'd rather them have some good stuff in their tummy besides just that. So now I'm going to get it all ready. I'm now ready to begin placing all of the food on the table. The messier foods, like the dips and olives, will be in bowls. Other foods will be on the cutting boards, the higher displays, or just go directly on the table. This gives the multi-tier table a great look, and my guest or family can serve themselves from any side of the table. The best thing about this table setup is the easy cleanup. There are a few dishes to clean, and all I need to do is to throw the tablecloth in the washer. Done and done. I hope you guys like the table and all the food that I made today. I think it turned out really well. Oh, I forgot one thing. This is much better. I hope you guys liked this episode. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. I hope you thought it was dynamite. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and happy Halloween!